This video is about how to link threads on Instagram. So let's start. Simply open the Play Store and write Threads from the search bar. The Threads app will appear. Just install the app by pressing the install option. It will take some time. In the meanwhile, let me tell you what Threads is. Threads is an online social media and social networking service operated by Meta Platforms. The app offers users the ability to post and share text, images, and videos, as well as interact with other users' posts through replies, reposts, and likes. Closely linked to the Meta platform Instagram, it additionally requires users to both have an Instagram account and use Threads under the same Instagram handle. It is almost done. Press the Open option right behind the Uninstall option. The Threads color scheme is the same as Instagram's. That shows that Threads is highly linked to Instagram. This is almost open. Now press Login with Instagram. Now you will receive the Allow notification message. If you want to allow it, press Allow. If you want to edit something or make some changes, simply press the profile symbol in the bottom right corner to access your profile. You will receive two main options: Edit Profiles and Share Profiles. To edit something, press Edit Profile. And if you press anything that you want to change or edit, you will receive a notification that you can't change or edit anything directly in Threads. If you want to change anything, first edit on Instagram. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.